lower body portion of our machines. This is our leg extension machine. With this, we have a few adjustments we need to be aware of. One is our back placement, and what this is going to do, when I move this forward, it's going to push my body forward to match up to our axis of rotation. So what this little button is, on most of our machines that are working on a single joint action, you're going to line that up to work the area around the muscle around that joint. So my knee is going to line up with this pin. With that, I also need to adjust my shin pad, okay, to make sure that I'm at a 90 degrees so I can get a full range of motion. I don't want to put this so far back where it is, so that way I am really putting a lot of stress on my quad, because this machine focuses solely on the quad. So I don't want to put it all the way back. I want to put it down at a 90. Okay, so I'm going to bring it out a little bit. From there, I also want to make sure that the shin pad is just at the base of my calf on the front side of my leg. So I want to make sure I lift this up just a hair, kind of short. Okay, once I tighten that in, now I can get into the apparatus. I'm going to slide my legs in the back. I have two handles that I can hold on to. From there, I want to sit up nice and tall, and I can go up, full contraction at the quad, pause, lower down slowly. You never want the weight to push down, you're holding it down. You can also go single leg with this. So if you're rehabbing, this is a great machine to rebuild that strength. Or I can go one leg, and then I can switch to the opposite leg. For the pin adjustment, again, you're adjusting the weight on the inside here. And if you can't quite make it to the next jump, again, you can always add on to your donuts.